Welcome you all to this very beautiful lecture. And in this very beautiful lecture today, I'm going to teach you about University of Michigan. This is one of the behavioral approach of leadership. Michigan University conducted a series of research programs in 1950 to find out the leaders' behavior. They described the leadership behavior into two dimensions. They are employee-oriented behavior and productions-oriented behavior. Let me give you a few features of employee-oriented behavior. Number one, they established good human relations with followers or employees. Number two, they concern for rights and welfare of followers or employees. Number three, they pay due concern for motivating employees for achieving organizational goals. An employee-oriented leadership basically focuses on the progress, prosperity, and satisfactions of employees. Now let me give you some of the features of productions oriented leadership. Number one, they focus on technical aspects, that is know how and procedure of the job. Number two, they focus on supervising for standard output of the job to be done. Number three, they make productions output as the performance standard. And number four, they follow negative motivational tools to motivate employees. And this productions oriented leadership basically focuses on productions than the employee satisfaction. I think you might have understood about this leadership style. Now, today I'm going to give you another approach of leadership under behavioral approach, that is managerial grid style. Manager grid style. Robert R. Blake and Jane Mouton in 1964 AD proposed the managerial grid style of leadership. This theory takes two dimensions, and this managerial grid style also takes two dimensions. They are production concerns and people concern. One, production concern and people concern. Production concern leaders concern for job output, who care employees on the basis of their output, and people concern leaders concern only for satisfactions of employees. Thus, matrix of job output and employee satisfaction is developed by managerial grid theory, and you will be knowing this figure will show the matrix of theory, managerial grid theory. Now, in this very figure, you will find one horizontal line and one vertical line. This horizontal line shows the production concern, and this vertical line shows the people concern. In this very, in this very, this is your horizontal line, this is your vertical line, and this horizontal line shows the production concern, and this vertical line shows the people concern. In both of this line, there you find 1 to 9 digits, 1 to 9 digits here, and you might find you might find 1 here, that is impoverished, and 1 9 at the top, that is country club. In the middle you find middle of the means this is middle of average, and at the top you can find 9 9 This all are the matrix, you see. And whenever this is the matrix, and all this is shown in the what this very denotes, you will be explained in short here. Number one, in that figure it has been shown 1 1 means impoverished style of leadership. 1 means impoverished style of leadership. This means such leaders cannot satisfy production requirements of the organization and also do not care about the employees' needs. And this type of leadership neither satisfy production requirement nor cares about the employees' needs. And next one, country club style of leadership, that is 1-9. It has been shown in the figure out there. 1-9 means leaders with high concern for employees needs. They are high concerns for employees needs but very low concerns for production. Follow this style of leadership. High concerns of employee needs but very low concerns for productions. Follow this style of leadership. Next one, 5-5 is there. This means middle of the road style. This means middle of the road style leadership. Such leaders with average concerns of both people and production follow this style of leadership. Average concern of both people and production follow this type of leadership style. And next one, uh, there is a task style of leadership. Such leaders concern give high concern for production but low concern for people. 9-1, high concern for production but very low concern for people. And the last one is there, uh, team management style. Team management style. Leaders with team management style pay highest concern for both production and people. Such type of leaders pay highest concern for both productions and people people. I think class you might have understood about this figure. Short explanations of managerial grid also have been given here. They are 1119559199. 11 means impoverished style of leadership. 19 means country club style of leadership. 55 means middle of the road style of leadership. 91 means tax style of leadership, and 99 means team management style of leadership. And this is what managerial grid style of leadership. I think you might have understood about this managerial grid style of leadership. And next one, the last one I'm going to tell you here, the situational approach of leadership. Situational approach of leadership. The latest development, that is the modern approach in the leadership. Modern approach in the leadership is the situational approach. This approach explains that the leader's behavior changes or varies from one situation to another. Therefore, situational approach of leadership means the leadership is adapted according to the changing situations. So there are some of the theories out here: Fielder's contingency model, Robert House path goal theory, and Paul and Kenneth Blanchard's situation theory are the important situational approach of leadership style theories. And these are some of the approaches of leadership. I think class you might have understood about the different approaches of leadership. If you have any problem, you can put down in the comment box. And once you listen to this very video properly and try to get the ideas, I'll come in my forthcoming videos. I'll come up with the new classes, new topics. Until then, bye. Thank you.